Hello dear students and welcome back to my channel. As you know that next exam is multimedia systems. So here I am with the most important short and long questions for degree 6th semester. Students, as you can see, this 100% mark is there beside the questions. That means it is extremely important out of these important questions. So study them first and then the others. First, let us see the 2-mark questions. What is media strand? Write about digitalization. Discuss about animation languages. CDDA. Data structures. What is meant by sound? Define multimedia. Explain about digital representation of audio. Explain about timing standard speech generation. Write about stream protocol version 2. Write in detail about closing a multimedia call. Explain image recognition. WORHS, CD-ROM, CDMO. Explain MIDI. Write short note on MIDI device. Give example. Define compact disc. List out some audio formats. What is MPEG? Define collaborative computing. QoS. Briefly write about transport subsystem. MHEG. Write in detail about telecollaboration, explain about media preparation, entertainment, define media consumption, write about music consumption, write short note on MIDI device, give example. Students, if you want the PDF, in the PDF you'll get all the very short easy answers. Next video is going to be on answers only. Now let us see the most important damn sure long questions for 8 marks. As you can see, this 100 mark is there, no? Beside the questions, that means it is extremely important. Definite question will come in the exam. First one, define audio and explain MIDI and digital audio. Define media communication and explain various services. What are the basic synchronization issues in multimedia? Define compact disc and explain about CDDA, that is compact disc digital audio. Write about virtual reality and teleservices. Define multimedia and explain its elements. Explain the types of text in multimedia. Describe JPEG, MPEG. Define multimedia database and MDBMS, multimedia database management system. Write about applications of multimedia. What is consumption? Briefly explain about synchronization. Explain about media preparation. So these questions 1 to 13 are most expected questions for the exam. So I have made all easy answers for this. Just contact me on Telegram and I'll send you. Students, all these PDFs are made with a lot of hard work. My explanation of answers would be free, but PDF you need to pay rupees 30 and then send me a screenshot on Telegram, and then I will share the full PDF of answers, short and long both. Explain the properties of multimedia systems, explain about data streams characteristics, explain the digital representation of audio, explain about analysis and recognition of digital image, explain in detail steps involved in image recognition, explain in detail about video representation, discuss about data compression standards, explain about MPEG, discuss audio encoding process of MPEG, explain about the DVI and JPEG in detail, explain about multimedia file system, write about multimedia databases, explain session management with its architecture, explain the various devices available for multimedia preparation, explain about integration communication, what is media integration, explain about multimedia editors. To learn hassle free, you can take the PDF from me. Just contact me on Telegram, students.